I'll tell you the biggest benefit of the surgery is real simple. The pain is almost instantly gone. I've been through everything you could have been through. I've done the cortisone, I've done all that. And it just wasn't getting any better. I'm 67 years old, and my local family doctor here he said, I want you to speak with a gentleman that's joining our staff. He goes, I think he might be able to really do you some good. And so that's how I met Dr. Travis Clegg. I own 2 Basset hounds, as you can probably tell from my shirt. One is he's a good sized boy, he's 95 pounds, and the other one is 65, it's his sister. They pulled me down twice. And the reason I was pulled down is I couldn't stop. The forward movement pulling on my knee was literally so painful. I would let them, I didn't want to let go of them, so it really wound out I was falling down. Typically, when I go see a doctor, they ask me what I do. I say, well, I played racquetball, I wrestled, I played football, all that stuff. But what most people would do when I would try to talk to them about health for my knees, automatically it's like, well, you could stand to lose some weight. I know that. That's not the great mystery. However, at 67, it's an incredibly difficult chore for someone to do who's been heavier to start with all his life. And Dr. Clegg did not do that. As a matter of fact, he didn't even mention my weight. I mentioned it to him that I'm trying to get some off to help with this procedure and stuff. But he just talked to me, wanted to know what my situation was. I just had one of them done 3 weeks ago. So, but I walked in here today with no trouble. I can do, even right now, I can do just about everything that I want to do. I tell you what, I wouldn't recommend anybody for anything unless I thought it was going to help them. Don't go just because I went. Go because it works, and he works well for your problem. My surgery was done on Thursday. He called me at 9:30 in the morning on Sunday morning just to see how I was doing. It wasn't a nurse or anybody, it was him. And he wanted to know how I was doing, how I was feeling, and so on. But he took the time to check on me. I said, that meant a lot. And I thought, well, maybe it's just because it was the first time. He did the exact same thing when he did the other one the other day. So I was really, really impressed with that.